The 2022 Toyota Camry key fob uses a CR232 coin cell battery to power its remote functions. When the battery dies, important functions like remote lock and unlock, as well as trunk release, will stop working reliably. To access the battery, first locate the small seam on the edge of the key fob. Carefully insert a thin, flat pry tool such as a guitar pick or plastic trim tool into the seam. Gently pry the case open, working your way around the edge to separate the two halves. Avoid using excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic case. Once the fob is open, you'll see the battery compartment with the old battery inside. Note the orientation of the old battery. The positive side should be facing up before removing it for replacement. With the key fob open, remove the old CR2032 battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up, matching the original orientation. Ensure the battery is securely in place. Now, carefully snap the two halves of the key fob case back together. Make sure all edges are aligned and the case is fully closed. Test the key fob by pressing the buttons to confirm it's working. If it doesn't function, try reseating the battery or consult your owner's manual for potential reprogramming instructions. Properly recycle the old battery at a designated battery drop-off location.